Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and thank you so much for clicking on the video. About this video, I'll be doing a step-by-step eyebrow tutorial for beginners. As you can see, mine are undone. And if you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit the subscribe button below. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and I really appreciate. Without much ado, let's get straight to the video. I use a pair of tweezers to pluck out the excess hair on my eyebrows. This is a spoolie. I use it in putting my eyebrows in place for easy aligning. I also use brown Davis eye pencil number 3. Make sure it's sharp and please don't use black eye pencil because it will definitely appear fake. A small angled brush is also needed, like this one. About concealer, I use a LA Girl Pro concealer and make sure it's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Mine I'm using Fawn. I also use foundation of my skin tone to clean out the upper side of my eyebrow. Use a spoolie to brush in your eyebrows for easy aligning and keep them in place. Using a sharp eyebrow pencil, start by outlining the inner lower side of your eyebrow using minimum force and don't go beyond this corner of your nose going inwards. Follow the exact shape of your eyebrow to make it appear natural. At the outer corner, don't go beyond this angle. After drawing the lower line, proceed to the upper side of your eyebrow and make sure you leave some space at the inner side of the eyebrow to avoid the block shape because I find it terrible. After lining the eyebrow, use a spoolie to anchor the eyebrow in place. When it comes to the inner corner, ensure you fill in enhancing your natural eyebrow strands. And if it's a must, you fill in the inner corner, make sure you use minimum force. After filling in the eyebrow, it will appear like this. To clean up your eyebrow, use a concealer and make sure it's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Using the Pro Concealer and the small angled brush, start from the inner corner towards the outer corner of your eyebrow. As you clean up the eyebrow, drag the concealer downward so it's much easier to blend and you don't mess up with your eyebrow. Using your finger, press in to dampen the concealer, or you can also use a small fluffy brush to blend in the concealer. On the upper side of the eyebrow, use a foundation that matches your skin tone. Use very small amount of foundation for easy blending. You can drag the concealer using the angled brush upwards for easy blending. Make sure the outer side of the eyebrow is neatly cleaned up. Again, use the spoolie brush to make sure the eyebrow is in place. The same procedure is applied on the other eyebrow. And this is our final look. Kindly leave a comment and let me know how you think of it. Thank you so much for watching till this far. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and share through your social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.